घर पे हैं? Hello, this is Sani.
Hi Rakesh, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
Nice having you here. I've been watching your programs and they are very, very interesting and informative.
Thank you so much. You had written to us about your house being on a T junction and that is a cause of concern.
A big concern. I worry because a lot of people tell us T junction is incorrect.
Let me clarify कि आपका of course the house is, you have a T in front of the house, but it's in a very, very auspicious direction. Because this is an extension in the northeast, which is considered very good. And as far as this junction is concerned, it can only bring you good luck.
That's really good news.
So you don't have to worry about this. This is really nice. Now shall we take a look inside?
Yes, please.
Very interesting room.
Thank
very
you.
Nice paintings. आपकी डाइनिंग एरिया में तो एक चीज़ I can notice कि this is, it has a black flooring. Directionally it is very nice. और सामने आपने पेंटिंग लगाई हुई है which seems to be made out of stones or what?
Plaster of Paris.
Plaster of Paris. ये चीज़ कुछ मज़ेदार नहीं लगेगी. I would suggest कि आपकी यहाँ पे बड़ी interesting paintings हैं, तो you shift this painting across here and put this one on the other side. इन्हें आप interchange कर लीजिए and to minimize the effect of this flooring, यहाँ पे आप कोई light colored mats, foot mats यहाँ पे लगा लो.
A carpet. A carpet.
Carpet would do. It needn't be wall to wall. Small rugs can serve the purpose.
Yeah.
And there's one thing which I've noticed here and everywhere else that I've been going. कि fruit bowl जब होता भी है तो it's kept on the side but not on the center of the table. So this is an ideal place to keep fresh fruits.
Okay.
And आपके यहाँ पड़े भी हो यहाँ पर they're not on the table.
Absolutely.
Just make sure that they are kept here. Everything else about this room is fine. हाँ पे सानी मुझे एक चीज़ लग रही है कि आपका ये जो फ्लोर है ये this is tapering inside. और मैं देख रहा हूँ कि ये सारी साइड से ही थोड़ा सा ना टेपर हो रहा है अंदर को. Which is making this the center of the house. This seems to be the center of the house. But the center of the house is a little sunken.
A bit, yes. You're right.
Now, isse what I've noticed is that the expenses are always little higher, and health is always an issue in amongst the members of the household. So, iska at some given point of time, whenever you are redoing the flooring, isko ek raise karwa ke level kara lijiye. But till such time, I would suggest कि आप ceiling के ऊपर just keep a small mirror.
How big should the mirror be?
It can be just 6 square inches, and it can even come around the the ceiling fan.
Okay. In any corner is also good enough.
Center. It should be in the center. ये बच्चों का कमरा लग रहा है आपका?
हाँ जी.
Looking wise, it is very nice. It is very well done, but it is low in energy. And what I feel is that this beam which is here in the center of the room, this seems to be dividing the energy. इसके लिए तो simply I would suggest कि आप एक wooden molding लगा लीजिए दोनों तरफ, एक इस साइड भी लगा लो, एक इस साइड भी लगा लो, so that the energy flow becomes a little better.
Like what is already going around on the room?
Yeah, maybe something like that. But ये edge नहीं दिखना चाहिए, especially when the child sleeps here. This edge is not right, and if the child is studying or using the computer, and the other edge on this side is not right. This seems to be your bedroom.
Yes, Rakesh.
Directionally, it is excellent. Bed head is fine. यहाँ पे Mrs. Sani, I am noticing two things. One is that you have naked bulbs in the room. These bulbs, naked bulbs, they cause a lot of glare, and the glare causes irritability. So no matter what, Mr. Sani will always be very irritable. आप उन्हें जितना मर्जी शांत करने की कोशिश करें, ये irritable रखेंगे. So इनको they must be covered, or you should use milky bulbs.
The color of the flooring matters?
The color of the flooring should not be black. Otherwise, any color is fine. Earthy colors are the best. आपका सारा घर देख लिया है.
हाँ जी.
तो यहाँ पे the main thing which I find is health issues seem to be quite concerning.
हाँ जी.
So whatever has been suggested to you, you just incorporate those and give us a feedback how everyone feels after that.
Definitely.
So we look forward to your feedback.
We'll implement them as soon as possible. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.